Hi everyone, my name is Olesya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll give you some basic rules of stress in Russian words. So rule number 1, unlike Spanish or French, Russian stress is not fixed. It means you cannot always guess where the stress goes. For example, вода, море. So you have to learn stress together with every new word. Rule number 2, stress can move in different forms. In Russian, stress often changes when the word changes. For example, рука, руки, город, города. So stress is very mobile. You must always check it and memorize it along with the word. Rule number 3, some endings are usually stressed. Words ending in ya would have stress there, as in земля, семья. Rule number 4, dictionaries show stress. Since normal Russian writing does not mark stress, dictionaries use a small accent mark. For example, молоко, собака, учитель. When you study, always look at the stress sign. Now let's do a quick practice with me. Repeat after me. Вода, воды, рука, руки. Perfect. So remember, in Russian, stress is unpredictable. It can move and sometimes endings are stressed. Always learn words with their correct stress. Like this video, subscribe to Russian with Olesya and check the playlist Russian Grammar for Total Beginners. Спасибо. See you in the next video.